We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey guys, so what you'll be needing to create this project, some rope. I got this rope from Home Depot, and it says whatever that is, MANILA? Oh no, MANILA rope. So I got 2 of these, and this is the 50 feet. And I also have a hot glue gun. So you guys, I'll get back to you guys and show you how I started. I actually decided to take the fabric off, and the fluff got everywhere. Hey guys, okay, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys a little bit more of my progression. So this is actually what I'm looking at right now, well, where I'm working. I'm basically towards the top. Hopefully that is going to be all of the rope that I need, because I really don't want to make another trip. I've already made like 2 trips to get refills for the hot glue gun. But yeah, it looks so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait until I get done. They're still at the bottom. Let me show y'all. At the bottom right here, there's still some of the fur from the other fabric that was over here, but I am going to go under there and I'm going to remove that. But overall, it looks really good. I'm going to come back once I'm closer to being finished, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the rope. This is the new rope that I just bought. So it seems like it's going to take maybe 2 1/4 of packs of rope to do this whole ottoman. And this is kind of what it's looking like right now. As you guys can see, I just have this little part to fill in right here. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. Okay guys, so this is basically my finished product. There are some different like hues within a rope, but I actually kind of like it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go underneath here and just cut this additional just excess fabric from down here, and I'm basically finished. So there you guys have it.